this is a fresh front that has now opened between the TMC and the BJP in the state of West Bengal. The catalyst has been an order that has been issued by the Kolkata police, and that is the police have implemented section 144. That means prohibiting any gathering of 5 or more people for a span of at least 60 days, starting from the 28th of May in central Kolkata. Authorities say they have credible intelligence suggesting the likelihood of violent protests leading to substantial disruptions to public peace and tranquility. The order extends restrictions in the vicinity of Dalhousie and Victoria House as well. Well, this is coming right ahead of the Prime Minister's visit to the state of West Bengal. Let's listen into the BJP reactions coming in, exactly why Section 144 has been imposed in the heart of Kolkata.
ममता बनर्जी जब पावर में आई थी तो उन्होंने वादा किया था कि कलकत्ता को लंदन बनाएंगे, तो लंदन तो नहीं बना पाए, श्रीनगर बना दिया। 2 महीने के लिए कलकत्ता के हार्ट में आप 144 लागू कर रहे हैं, तो ये तो कौन है, क्या है, श्रीनगर ही है, कलकत्ता कहाँ रहा? तो ये हालत है।
This order that has now been issued by the Kolkata police, and this is how the BJP has been reacting. Of course, a mega rally that is now expected of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to happen, and right in the middle before that we are looking at such kind of issuance of directions that is coming from Kolkata police. The BJP is now blaming the TMC and the West Bengal government, saying that the law and order situation has deteriorated in the state of West Bengal, and it is apprehensive on ahead of the visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi that it has now issued such kind of an order. Let's in the meantime also talk about when it comes to the voting that is taking place. This is the showdown ahead of the Prime Minister's visit. The BJP has been slamming the prohibitory orders in Kolkata, saying that Mamata Banerjee has turned Kolkata into Srinagar. Meanwhile, the West Bengal BJP has also called it as a desperate move by the Chief Minister to stop Prime Minister's roadshow. Adrija continues to be with us. Adrija, as far as these directions are concerned, what exactly is the intel that the Kolkata police has been citing that has led to the imposition of Section 144?
Well, you know, several incidents have taken place. First of all, yesterday we have seen a huge rally that was taken out by the monks. And secondly, we have seen that, you know, several incidents of violence is taking place in Medipur district. And therefore, in order to ensure that no more further violence takes place, because Kolkata is going to polls on the 7th phase, which is on the 1st of June. And to ensure that no violence takes place, no law and order situation is created in the city of Kolkata. Therefore, Section 144 has been imposed by the police. In fact, the police have also clarified its stance, mentioning that the areas where they have imposed Section 144, usually those those areas of Kolkata are important areas, because we have the West Bengal Assembly located in that particular area and several other important structures, and therefore 144 is more or less always imposed there, and therefore it has just been extended for another month to ensure that post the elections no more problem takes place. But of course, you know, the BJP coming out and condemning Mamata Banerjee along with the police here and mentioning that it is nothing but just a fear psychosis within the TMC, where now they are doing this to ensure, because Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to hold a road show inside at the heart of Kolkata on the 28th, which is on Tuesday, and now the BJP coming out and hitting out and mentioning that because Mamata Banerjee is so scared of losing this election, she is now taking into such cheap tricks and tactics to ensure that problem is created and the roadshow of Prime Minister Narendra Modi is stopped.
All right, reactions that have also been coming in at this point. Adrija, because is it to do anything with the Prime Minister's roadshow? Because here the BJP has been saying that when it comes to the capital itself, it seems to be slipping in the hands from the TMC as far as these instructions that have now been issued by the TMC government's Kolkata police. Let's in the meantime also talk about the directions that are also concerned. Pratibha is joining us right now. Pratibha, the BJP is saying that the TMC is indulging in the dirty tricks department.
Absolutely. So the politics speaking ahead of the Prime Minister's visit, the Kolkata police has imposed Section 144 in Kolkata. This is ahead of the Prime Minister's rally that has been planned by the BJP. So the political face-off that's brewing, that we're seeing, the Kolkata police on one hand for the prohibitory orders, going on to say that this is to ensure that this is a peaceful way. On the other hand, the BJP saying that this is nothing but a bid to stop the Prime Minister from campaigning in West Bengal. In fact, the BJP has gone on to say that this is making it very clear that the TMC is scared of the Prime Minister's rally, and that's the reason why Section 144 has been imposed. Let's show you the two sides of it. What the Kolkata police is saying there's credible intelligence suggesting that there could be violence, and that's the reason why prohibitory orders have been put in place. The BJP responding to it, saying that this is very clear that the TMC government is scared, saying we're aware of the slipping political capital, and that's the reason why the TMC is trying to bring in these orders. The Kolkata police saying that this is quite similar to the orders on a regular basis, that it's not pertaining to the Prime Minister's rally, but these are regular orders that are given based on the intel inputs that they received. The BJP saying that this is nothing but a desperate move to stop the Prime Minister's roadshow, that attempts are being made by the TMC government for the same.
प्रतिभा, thank you for that. राहुल सिन्हा जी हमारे साथ फोन लाइन पे जुड़ गए हैं। राहुल सिन्हा जी, बताया जा रहा है कि कोलकाता पुलिस की तरफ से सेक्शन 144 सर लागू कर दिया गया है, और वो ठीक पहले जब प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी का वहां पर रोड शो होने वाला है। इसके बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे?
देखिए, तृणमूल कांग्रेस ने अभी समझ गया जो उनका हार निश्चित है, और इसीलिए उन्होंने प्रधानमंत्री का भी रैली है और भी कार्यक्रम है, इसको नष्ट करने के लिए वो 144 लगाया। लेकिन 144 लगाने का कलकत्ता पुलिस का कोई अधिकार नहीं है। अभी चुनाव आयोग सारा पुलिस सिस्टम देख रहा है, इसीलिए वो चुनाव आयोग का निर्देश से ही कुछ कर पाएंगे। लेकिन ये 144 का कोई महत्व नहीं है। 144 को हम इग्नोर भी करते हैं, कारण अभी चुनाव आयोग की डिसीजन लेंगे जो क्या करना चाहिए। कलकत्ता में ऐसा कोई घटना नहीं हुआ, ऐसा कोई मर्डर नहीं हुआ, ऐसा कोई दंगा फसाद नहीं हुआ जो अभी 144 जारी करने का नौबत आ गया। इसीलिए ये 144 पॉलिटिकल 144, ममता बनर्जी का 144, इसको हम लोग पॉलिटिकल एक वेंडेटा का रूप नहीं मानते।
जी धन्यवाद राहुल सिन्हा जी हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। Let's also get a TMC voice here. Mr. Riju Dutta is with us. Sir, good morning to you. The BJP is raising questions saying what exactly is this timing when it comes to the imposition of Section 144 when Prime Minister Narendra Modi was supposed to hold his roadshow?
See, the problem with BJP in Bengal is that they are a bunch of illiterates. थोड़ा पढ़ा लिखा ही करना चाहिए लोगों को। The 144 is a regulatory order. It's a normal order. There is no special provisions. It is an order that comes out during the election days, because on first we have our elections in Kolkata, and certain pockets have been always 144. It is nothing special that is being imposed during the Pradhan Mantri's roadshow. No. The problem is these people don't study, or they don't understand English. This is the problem. I want to give them a Renan Martin grammar book so that they can learn English and understand English a little better. What nonsense. Instead, if I ask BJP why in Lucknow there was 6 months Section 144 imposed, then we have not stopped anybody. There is no hindrance in Pradhan Mantri's roadshow. There are certain places in Kolkata where it is 365 days, 144, because the polls is on 1st of June. It's a mandatory order that comes out from the Calcutta police, and the mandatory order has come out. And the Calcutta police has themselves clarified it on Twitter, countering the BJP state president Shukanto Majumdar, saying please do not spread misinformation.
Right,
the Calcutta police themselves have clarified.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, Mr. Datta. For your point of view, the TMC is saying that there is nothing new in this. There are already orders that have been issued like this before. However, the BJP is saying that this is an attempt to actually also stop the Prime Minister's roadshow that will be held when it comes to the upcoming elections that will be taking place in West Bengal.